This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Barbara Thomas. Lakefront home on Gentle Point lot with deep water and long-range mountain views. Main level offers ensuite, living room, dining room, kitchen, office with half bath, laundry room, walk-in closets, large screened porch, open deck area and 3-car garage. Terrace Level has 2 ensuites, half bath, wine room, flex space, large family room, and boat garage with workshop. 2 large river rock fireplaces, granite counters, stainless appliances, solid oak floors, crown molding, oversized baseboards, and vaulted ceilings. Built-in bookshelves, solid wood doors and wall of windows with French doors to take in the fantastic views. Outdoor area has brick pavers leading to gazebo, potting shed and large, covered dock with approximately 170 of shoreline. Exterior is hardi-board and river rock. Home has been impeccably maintained. Demeyer built this one to last several lifetimes. For more information,